Here we are at Unit 4325 at the Village at Breckenridge Resort. It's a studio with one bathroom. And when you walk in, you'll see there's one large space with all brand new furniture. This is a queen size bed. Everything is new, the mattress, the bed, the furniture. It is a ski in, ski out resort. You're at the base of the Quicksilver lift on Peak 9 here in Breckenridge, Colorado. You'll see you have actually two TVs in this unit, one up in the corner. You have newer appliances here, black appliances. And one of the unique features about this unit is it does have a 24-inch dishwasher. Most studios have an 18-inch dishwasher. You'll see the custom valances over the windows, the wood blinds. You have views overlooking the plaza area. Come over here. And here we are. You'll see the plaza area. You'll see a custom mirror here in the corner, which helps the unit look bigger. And then we're wrapping around, and there is that large TV over the brand new dresser, but you can certainly put a picture there. And as we wrap around, you'll see the closet here to store some coats, keep shoes and other items. And then the bathroom is very smart the way it's laid out. There are 3 doors. This first door takes you into the main bathroom area where there is a double vanity. And then there's a second door that takes you into the area where the potty is. And then we wrap around to the third door. And this unit again is unique in that it has a jetted tub. Very nice after a day of skiing. All new tile. And nice wood around the mirrors, which is custom. Behind the door here in the bathroom is more storage. You have more drawers. And then we go out of the restroom and back out to the family room area. It's not only a queen sofa sleeper, but also a brand new sofa sleeper over here, which allows 2 more to sleep, so a total of 4. Again, the Village at Breckenridge Resort, Unit 4325. Come and take a look today.